Oh no, my spools are not in the right order. What do I do? I was trolling through Print Talk and I seen a video from Misfit Printing, and she was saying that her spools are never in the right order. So let me show you something. I'm going to print this light box here. And so the colors I need are white, yellow, black, and blue. So if I go to my device, has 8 colors. I have yellow, black, and red and empty on one, and I have gray, blue, white, and orange on the second one. Now let me show you what it does though. So if I go over here and I hit slice plate, sorry for the delay here. Okay, so it sliced it up, and I hit print plate. Now it's going to go through and try to guess. Now I guessed that one wrong, so I'm going to change it to 1. So a B3 is white, A1 is yellow, A2 is black, and B2 is blue. And there you go. Now it will guess, and many times it hits it right the first time, but sometimes it doesn't, and then you have to go through and you can adjust it here. This works with the X1 series, the P1 series, and the A1 series.